Now let's take a look at a table of contents. Now, it does take a few steps to do the table of contents, but in my opinion, feel it's totally worth it, and let me show you why. When I'm on my page, my table of contents, so my original paper is 136 pages, which I know the professor is going to love to read every single page. Um, right? So, as a student writing the paper, though, it is a little hard to navigate through the paper as I'm trying to make changes, and the table of contents is where that helps me. And I guess it would help a professor that's reading it as well, if they're reading it on the computer, if you have a table of contents, because what happens is once you use Microsoft Word's table of contents, it will automatically create hyperlinks to parts of your paper. So for example, if I want to go to my methodology section that's on page 13, all I have to do is click on the number 13 and it'll jump to it. I can go back up to the top to the table of contents again, and I can go down to my professional development plan. Click on 30, and now it jumps to page 30. So it does make it a lot easier to navigate through the paper, and if you use Microsoft Word's table of contents generator, then you can have the formatting look correct. It's almost impossible without using the help of the software, even on design software, to make sure that all of your headings are aligned to the left in one exact line and that all of your pages are aligned to the page numbers are aligned to the right in one line. Okay, so you see how nice and neat that looks. It's really hard to do that without the help of the software. So if we look here, there is level 1 headings, there are level 1 headings, and there are level 2 headings. And notice how nice that is already indented and all lined up. That was again done with the help of Microsoft Word and using the table of contents generator. But in order to do this, you do have to do some formatting for your paper. So you do want to have all of your headings in the document the way you want them, where you want them, and it does help to have them similar to the way you want them to look. So for APA formatting, the word abstract is not supposed to be bold, but the headings below that are supposed to be bold. And I made sure they were all in there first, and then that was a level 2 heading that's supposed to be aligned left. See, main research question, if we look at the table of contents, that was a level 2, so that automatically indented it as well by doing a specific step I'm going to show you in a second here.